I'm sure you knew that stop sign was there. Tailgating tractor trailers. Very dangerous. I believe someone hit their horn because the light changed. Good thing they waited. Hey, buddy, I'm going straight. You turned from the wrong lane. It's a red light. Why didn't you just wait? Very pathetic. Bad drivers always make their exit at all costs. Crossing a solid line in the rain is even more dangerous. I posted a lot about this same exit. A lot of cars just cut right in front of other cars trying to make this exit. More tailgating tractor trailers putting on their brake. That means you know you're close, sir or ma'am.